Hi, I'm Ruth Cedro, and this is my husband, Chris Cedro, and we live in Santa Clara, California, and we just finished doing our backyard with Done Right Remodeling. The whole process was great from the beginning to the end. It was very fluid. Jonathan was very responsive to all of our concerns, and anytime we reached out, he was there ready to get back to us and help us through. Our project manager was Jonathan Oak, and he was great. He was very communicative, he was efficient, he listened to all of our concerns and made sure that he addressed them.
The crew was a good-sized crew. They finished the work in a really fast amount of time. They did a pretty good job. They were fairly thorough in their detail, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with the job they did. What I like most about Done Right Remodeling is how they're thorough in managing the process from the beginning to the end. They always communicate very well with us, and in the end, they deliver a very good product.
What I liked most about Done Right Remodeling was from the very beginning, they listened. They listened when I had any concerns about whether we wanted to move forward with the project. They listened anytime we had concerns about the actual project itself, or we had questions that we just didn't understand. They listened, they responded, and they were very personable. I would definitely recommend Done Right Home Remodeling to my friends and family, without a doubt.